So checking in on the tropics, this is the latest with Hurricane Beryl. Still a Category 3 storm. It brought those big impacts to the Cayman Islands today, and it's continuing to move west towards the Yucatan Peninsula. It's expected to arrive there either late today or early tomorrow. Most likely as either a Cat 2 or a Cat 1, so they'll be seeing the big impacts in the Yucatan. And then it will emerge in the southern Gulf of Mexico this weekend down to a tropical storm strength. So it is expected to weaken, but then it could re-strengthen back to a Category 1 hurricane by the time it makes landfall either in South Texas or northern Mexico by Monday, and then it will push inland right along the border. So the reason why it's getting pushed in that direction, that high pressure shifts off to the east, then this trough comes across the central part of the country. That will help yank Beryl to the northwest. Again, either making landfall in South Texas or northern Mexico. Too early to say exactly where it will make landfall, but the model's in pretty good agreement that this is the general vicinity of where Beryl will be going. So this is not coming to Louisiana. This is not coming to the New Orleans area. We will not be seeing any direct impacts from this in the New Orleans area, but here's a kind of a rough idea of what you can expect. Here's the GFS model. This is Beryl moving into the Yucatan early tomorrow, bringing them the heavy rain and strong winds, the beach hazards, and maybe some flooding with Beryl. And then that continues to move into the Gulf of Mexico, could re-strengthen back to a Category 1 by the time it reaches either South Texas or northern Mexico. And then they'll be seeing the heavy rain and strong winds and those beach hazards, maybe some coastal flooding with this getting into later this weekend into Monday. So a lot to watch in the tropics, but no impacts expected for us in our part of the Gulf. There's also that area right behind Beryl, Invest 96, does have a low chance for development. It looks like it's going to take the same kind of path as Beryl into the Caribbean, into the Gulf of Mexico. We'll watch that, but low chances for development with that. Over the next 7 days here at home, nothing to worry about other than the heat. Every day, temperatures in the low 90s with daily storm chances.